Ethereum staking is a process where participants lock up their Ether holdings in a smart contract on the Ethereum network to support the blockchain security and consensus mechanism. Here's how it works. Proof of stake. Ethereum is transitioning from a proof of work to a proof of stake consensus mechanism. In POS, validators are chosen to create new blocks and validate transactions based on the amount of Ether they stake as collateral. Validator selection. Validators are selected to propose and validate blocks based on their stake and other factors, such as their uptime and network contribution. Validators are incentivized to act honestly, as they risk losing their staked Ether if they attempt to validate fraudulent transactions. Staking rewards. Validators earn staking rewards for their participation in securing the network and validating transactions. These rewards are distributed in the form of newly minted Ether and transaction fees. Slashing. Validators can be penalized for malicious behavior, such as double signing or attempting to validate invalid transactions. Slashing penalties may result in the loss of a portion of their staked Ether. Decentralization. Ethereum staking aims to decentralize network participation by allowing anyone with a minimum threshold of Ether to become a validator and participate in securing the network, thus enhancing the network's security and scalability.